Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today's menu, I'm using a black rice, so Italian black rice I bought in my last trip to Italy, and we're gonna use this baby octopus. So let's see what comes out. So we're gonna start in a paella pan I'm using. It's not a paella, but it's a paella pan I'm using. I'm not preparing a paella actually, according to the Spanish people. So we're gonna start with hot oil. We're gonna pre-cook or sear our baby octopus, as you may see in the video. So I'm gonna jump to the next level. Once they are seared or pre-cooked, we're gonna remove them and reserve on the side. And the liquid you see, this is our main ingredient for our black rice. Yeah, these are where the flavors are concentrated in, and we're gonna keep it concentrated with for the ingredients we're using. Yeah. Once we remove our octopus, we're gonna add our onion and our garlic, and we're gonna saute it in our oil together with the water came off from the baby octopus. We're gonna just make a small, like Venezuelans say, sofrito. This is we're gonna saute our onion and garlic. Yeah, like you see. Now we are gonna also add our paella condiment, just to stir fry it a little bit. Yeah, as you see, just to get incorporated together with the onion and garlic. Yeah, now we're gonna add our tomato. I'm using half of a can. This is around 100 grams because it's a small pan I'm using. That's why I divided into two. And just as you see now, I cut the bell pepper into chunks, and also very, very small. Yeah, as you may see, I'm adding the small part of it. I'm gonna stir fry it together, all together, mix it up together, and let's go to the next one. Looks, all is incorporated, all is being cooked, very nice. Now we're gonna incorporate our rice. The black Italian rice is kind of brown rice, yeah, but it's a black Italian rice. We're gonna just mix it all together, mix it up together with our tomato, paprika, tomato, bell pepper, and our condiment. Yeah, as you see. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, just carefully, because our broth had salt, so we don't want over salted. Yeah, it's very important to keep that on mind. If you are using plain water, you need to add a little bit more salt, but if you are using kind of broth you did yourself, you bought from the stock, whatever broth you are using, if you have to consider if it's salty or not. Yeah, just not to over salt it, because you can always add but not remove salt. Yeah, it's very important. It's just the small comment I always leave behind, because not everybody is aware of it, and maybe you becomes aware but too late for the salt, and it's a shame. Yeah, now we're gonna add our baby octopus. Yeah, everything, including the juice that was left on the container. We're gonna mix it up all together, like you see in the video right now. And now we're gonna add our broth, water, whatever your liquid is, when you're using it. I'm using a 1-to-4. That means 1 cup of rice, 4 cups of water or broth. Yeah. and also just kind of arrange the octopus that they are all spread on the pan, yeah, that they are not only in one place, just but in the whole pan. When you are serving, you are taking a spoon, and the spoon will have for sure an octopus, yeah. It's not like you are making only rice or only octopus with a spoon while serving it, yeah. This is just the main, and of course nice looking, yeah, that is called spread along the pan, yeah. So right now you see these are the bell pepper chunks. I'm just also adding them just all across the pan everywhere, just like the same principle from the octopus. While serving, you are taking octopus and paprika together with, of course, with the rice, yeah, not just like that. And I got from the store some grilled artichokes. I'm just adding them here like you see in the video. And so let's place them along the pan, and we're gonna let it cook here a little bit, and I will finish it up in the oven, which is of course preheated oven, yeah. We need the same, almost, to keep the temperature identical while cooking it, yeah. I'm gonna add the use of 1 lemon. You see the evaporation is just going to the end, yeah. This is almost just before adding to the oven. I will add the 1 lemon juice. Look, the evaporation is just going there, yeah. This is just a lime juice because I like a little bit of acidity all with when I'm using this any kind of seafood or fish. It's nice there, and just remove it and just finish it up on the oven. As I say, it was a preheated oven. I'm adding it 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's up to your oven. I had it at 200 degrees, and look, I just let it rest 5 minutes before after I turn it off. Some extra virgin olive oil, and voila, we are ready to serve and to enjoy. So everyone, if you are so far to here, hit that thumb up button, of course, leave a comment if you have any down here in the comment box, and of course subscribe to the channel if you like it. So I wish you a nice journey and a good appetite for us here, yeah.